Hello everyone, welcome to Agri Quiz. I hope you all are doing well. Before we have discussed 20 important questions which are helpful in JRF or SRF or any kind of competitive exams. So today we will discuss the raised questions of agronomy. So let's start right now. Question number 21. Which of the following is not a nitrogenous fertilizer? And the options are ammonium chloride, anhydrous ammonia, calcium cinamide, or all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Then question number 22. NPK composition of standard fertilizer mixture for potato and paddy is 444, 624, 6, 612, 6 or none of these. And the correct answer is C, that is 612, 6. Then question number 23. Which commercial fertilizer contains magnesium and calcium as secondary nutrients? And the options are Epsom, gypsum, both Epsom and gypsum, none of these. Here the correct answer is C, that is both Epsom and gypsum. Okay. Then moving forward to the next question, that is 24. Application of manures and fertilizers to the established crop within crop duration is termed as basal dressing, top dressing, both the above or none of these. And the correct answer is top dressing. Top dressing term is known as the application of manure and fertilizer to the established crop within the crop duration. Got it? Then question number 25. Which of the following is a slow release fertilizer? Neem coated urea, N-Surf, thiourea or all of these? So the correct answer is all of these. All of these included slow release fertilizer, neem coated urea, N-Surf and also thiourea. Then the next question is question number 26. The higher the fertility of soil, the and the options are lower is the response to the fertilizers, higher is the response to fertilizers, there is no response or none of these. And the correct answer is option A, that is lower is the response of fertilizer. Then question number 27. Reduction in weeds causes which of the following? Reduction in land value, reduction in crop yield, loss in crop quality, all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. All of these are included reduction in weeds causes. Then question number 28. Thousands of hectares of cultivable land has been abandoned due to infestation of Cyprus rotundus, Parthenium, Eichhornia crassipes or none of these. And the correct answer is option A, Cyprus rotundus. Then moving forward to the next question, question number 29. Which of the following weed is used as a green vegetable? Options are Amaranthus viridis, Panicum repens, both the above, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, Amaranthus viridis. Then question number 30. Which of the following weed is indicator of poor light soil? And the options are E. colonum, Shimbopogon, both the above or none of these. Here the correct answer is Shimbopogon. That is option B. Then question number 31. Heavy infestation of which of the following causes poor plowing or performance? And the options are E. colonum, Cyprus rotundus, Cynodon dactylon, none of these. And the correct answer is Cynodon dactylon. That is option C. Then 32. Based on morphology, the weed is classified into grass, sage, broad-leaved weeds, or all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Then the next question number 33. Examples of broad-leaved weed is called Flaveria australacea, Digeria arvensis, Ebutilon indicum, or all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Then question number 34. Which of the following is not a indigenous weed? A. indica, A. indicum, B. hysterophorus, or none of these? And the correct answer is B. hysterophorus, option C. Then question number 35. Total root parasite on tobacco is Parthenium, O. Sermua, D. Stramonium, or W. samnifera. And the correct answer is O. Sermua, option B. Then question number 36. Eichhornia crassipes is which type of weed? Submerged weed, marginal weed, floating weed, or all of these? And the correct answer is floating weed. Then question number 37. Zygogramma bicolorata beetle feed on leaves of water hyacinth, Parthenium, lantana, or all of these? And the correct answer is Parthenium. Then question number 38. Phytophthora palmivora causes root rot in which of the following? Morenia odorata, A. virginica, S. halpens, or all of these? The correct answer is A. Morenia odorata. Then question number 39. Application of volatile chemical on confined space to produce gas that will destroy weed seeds is called fumigation, herbicide, band application, or all of these. And the important question and the right answer is fumigation. That is option A. Then the last question, that is question number 40. A herbicide which kills some species in a mixed growth plant species are termed as selective herbicide, non-selective, contact, or none of these. And the right answer is selective herbicides. That is option A. So that's all, and thank you so much.